Hey life fam, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Thank you for tuning in. So guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 delicious, quick and easy recipe that even your picky eaters cannot resist. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, keep on watching. So guys, this one is going to be a very simple meal. So yeah, I have sweet potato and I have 2 Irish potatoes, and so this is sausages. Some people also call it otah. So we have 4 here, so I'm going to be making do with 2, and my kids are 2, so they're going to be having it with potatoes. So guys, keep on watching. So I already have my hot water on the fire now, so I'm going to start by peeling the potatoes.
The truth is a damn hard pill to swallow. I'm reaching out, but all I feel is hollow. I wanna make you work, but all I do is make you worse. The truth is a damn hard pill to swallow. Don't you wanna come on over? Don't you wanna work it out? Don't you wanna love me better? Love me better, love me now. Don't you wanna fix our problems? Baby, I can show you how. Don't you wanna...
So I just finished washing the potatoes. So I'm going to be adding some salt. So I'm going to be adding the sausages inside. Yeah, there is a reason why I do that, because it just adds its own flavor to the potato, guys. Just add it inside, and I like to cook. Yeah, I think I have too much water, so just cover and allow it to cook. It's simple as that. Guys, it's ready now. So guys, this is what it's looking like. So I'm going to start by just cutting this into bits. So you can decide to add salad if your kids like salad. This is for my daughter, and that's fine. So my son is just going to have just carrots. So number 2 on my list is this lentil. Yeah, this is one of my daughter's favorite meal, so I'm going to be making just half cup because she's going to be eating it alone. So we are also going to be pairing it again with sausages. So you just have to add everything into the pot just like we did before. It's just a quick and easy recipe. You can add salt, you can also skip that part if you want to. So I'll go ahead and add some green beans. So I'm using frozen one for this recipe. So just cover and allow to cook, and then sieve out the water when it's ready. Voila, our food is ready. Just take a look at that. Meanwhile, baby girl is here. We'll be trying our meal. Like I said before, this is one of our favorites. So number 3 on my list is nougat. This is already made frozen nougat. You just pop it in your oven for as long as you want, depending on how crunchy you want it to be, and voila, the meal is ready. You can serve it with some veggies or just leave it like so, depending on how your kids love it. So number 4 fam is this fish and chips. It's a very delicious recipe, and it's also quick and easy to put together. So I'm going to be using fish fillet for this recipe. This is what I'm going to be spicing it up with. You can decide to add any spices of your choice. As for me, this is what I'm going to be using, and also salt for taste. So I'm just patting it dry with a paper towel. And now I'm adding my liquid Maggi. Some paprika powder. Black pepper. And some salt to taste. So my hands are washed, guys. So right now I'm just adding some vegetable oil to the pot or to the pan. Just add your fish fillets. So right now I just added some mixed veggies. So our fish is almost ready, so I'm just going to be frying some fries because we are going to be pairing this with French fries. So far our fish and chips is ready. Just take a look at that. So far, the last but not the least is this spaghetti. It's very delicious and is also quick and easy to prepare, and my kids love it. So I'm just going to add some oil to the water. Add my spaghetti. So guys, I'm just breaking it in smaller pieces because they prefer it this way. So and then I'm going to be adding some vegetable oil to the pan. So I'm going to start by frying my bacon and my shrimps. So when that is done, I'm going to add my spring onions and also a little bit of pepper, and then my diced tomatoes. So I'm just going to stir everything together. Add some paprika powder, black pepper, garlic powder, and some salt to taste. So I'm going to be adding 1 little seasoning cube and just stir everything together. So now I'm going to be adding my bacon and my shrimps again back to the sauce. and then pour in my spaghetti. So guys, you guys can see it's such a quick and easy recipe. I'm going to be adding some liquid seasoning, and voila, our spaghetti is ready, guys. So let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite and which one you're going to be trying. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.